Welcome to Newspaper Highlight series of Ajmal IS Academy. Here we will see some important newspaper article and how to study them from mains and prelims perspective. So let's start the session. The first article is related to India's federalism challenges. This article is taken from the Indian Express. From prelims perspective, focus on the factual detail of Delimitation Commission, 42nd and 84th Constitutional Amendment Act, Article 280 and Article 356, GST Council, vertical and horizontal fiscal devolution. From mains perspective, this article is important for GS paper 2, polity and governance point of view, and it can be linked to the topics of challenges to Indian federalism, delimitation and representation crisis, fiscal federalism and resource redistribution, cooperative versus competitive federalism, center-state relation, trust deficit in governance. The core idea of this article is India's federal challenges lie in balancing democratic representation, fiscal equity, and cooperative governance amid widening regional disparities. Our second article is related to UP's new OBC Commission. This article is taken from the Indian Express. From prelims perspective, focus on the factual detail of Article 243D, Panchayat Raj Institution, Triple Test Principle, OBC reservation in local bodies, and Uttar Pradesh Panchayat Raj Act of 1947. From mains perspective, this article is important for GS paper 2 governance and social justice point of view, and it can be linked to the topic of reservation in local self-government, decentralization and grassroots democracy, social justice and political representation, role of judiciary in electoral governance. The core idea of this article is the triple test safeguards constitutional validity by ensuring data-driven OBC reservation in local body elections. Our third article is about how does the earth protect itself from the sun. This article is taken from the Indian Express. From prelims, focus on the conceptual detail of the SMILE mission, magnetosphere, solar winds, solar flares, and coronal mass ejection, Aurora and Vega C rocket. For mains perspective, this article is important for GS paper 3 science and tech point of view, and it can be linked to the topic of space weather forecasting, satellite security, impact of solar storm on critical infrastructure, international cooperation in space exploration and protection of communication and navigation systems. The core idea of this article is SMILE seek to unlock real-time understanding of Earth's magnetic shield and strengthen global space weather forecasting capabilities. Our final article is about can India's waste solve its energy crisis. This article is taken from the Hindu. From prelims perspective, focus on the factual detail of SATAT scheme, gasification, syngas and biochar, biogas, biomass energy, circular economy. From mains perspective, this article is important for GS paper 3 environment and energy point of view, and it can be linked to the topic of energy security, waste to wealth initiative, bioenergy technologies, decentralized energy system, sustainable waste management, carbon neutrality and climate goal. The core idea of this article is India's waste stream can become a strategic energy resource if supported by efficient bioenergy technologies and policy ecosystems. That's all for today, and for a detailed analysis of newspaper article, visit the Ajmal IS Academy website. Thank you.